guys, if you're a kid, this is for kids YouTube. This is not a gun. This is a cap gun. There's no harm, unless if they don't aim at each other or don't put it like this and shoot. So listen, if you kids don't know how to use this, see this right here? Pull this back. Mine just melted in because I've used it a lot. So yeah, so you pull this open, this comes out. So you'll find these cap rolls. You can buy them like pretty much anywhere, like a dollar store. These. So how you put it on these, there's two different kinds. They're both the same thing. They're the exact same. They're just different kind of gun and different like size. Alright, hold up. So right here, you'll have this right here, and you'll put it on there. Hold on, I need to put it on here. It's not easy to put it on. Alright, so there you go. You have it hanging out on the side, and you just go. Hold up. So this doesn't really cause harm, guys. Even though it has sparks, it's still good. Just little sparks. So make sure you don't shoot like this. Yeah, just shoot like this normally.